Hi there, I'm Nicole, and I'm going to show you how to log in with Google and import your Google Classroom. To start, click on Sign in with Google. Simply choose the account associated with your Google Classroom to get started. And just like that, we're here in the teacher dashboard. Next, let's bring in your students. On the home screen, you can import from Google if you haven't already. However, you can always manage your classes on the left-hand side. Now let's click Import with Google. You can select exactly which classes you'd like to bring over. This is important. To keep things organized, make sure your students always log in with google.storyboardthat.com or use the Google single sign-on button. This prevents duplicate accounts and ensures they land in the right class. If you ever add new students or teachers later, just click Import with Google again. It will sync your latest roster without creating any duplicates. That's it. For more on creating and linking assignments, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.